In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Teams cannot join meetings in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your meeting link. So use the latest meeting invite link. And if the link is old or expired, just ask the organizers for a new one. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Try switching to another network like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also run a speed test. You need a minimum of 1 Mbps of download recommended. Also sign out and sign in with the account that received the invite. Also personal and work school accounts are completely different, by the way. The other thing you want to do is if you're on Windows, simply go ahead and press Windows plus R, then percentage app data percentage /Microsoft /Teams /cache and delete all the files inside of here. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and make sure you're using the latest version of the Zoom application and make sure that your date and time settings is set to automatically. If you've not allowed your permission of camera and microphone, you could be facing this problem as well. And if you're using any kind of VPNs, make sure that you disable it, restart your device, or if none of it works, simply go to support.microsoft.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.